Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video today, we're gonna learn about 6 of the best apps that you as a teacher can use to create a fun and engaged environment for your students to learn. Down the road, I'm gonna create tutorials for each of these tools to go way deeper than we're gonna go today. So don't miss that. So subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss these videos in the future. And if you enjoy this content, please hit the like button to support the channel. Let's go. In the first tool that I would like to bring to you today, you probably already know what it is. I cannot leave this tool out of this video. It is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is like a foundation for providing online learning. Just because through Google Classroom, you can share with your students texts, videos, PDFs, and links to other styles. It is a great and amazing tool to use as your baseline, actually to use the other tools that I'm gonna be discussing in this video. The second tool that I would like to bring to you is called Padlet. Padlet is a collaborative workspace for your students, which enables them to create
your students to engage. Just to give an example, I can easily create or make a Padlet, select the style that I would like to use. For example, in this situation, I'm gonna use wall. I can, once it's started, I can just simply give a good name, for example, math class, and I can add the description, I can change the icon, the appearances, wallpaper, color scheme, font. Of course, I'm going to allow comments, and as soon as you hit next and start posting, you can start post to your wall, to your Padlet. And as an example, what did you learn today? And I can easily upload some files or link some videos or search on Google, take a snap, and I can simply, if I want, for example, to search for some content within YouTube or Spotify to make the engagement a little bit higher, so which is amazing. So once you post that, you're going to allow your students to add some comments, create this sense of social platform to be able to see other comments and share their knowledge. So easily I can write a comment, loved the class today. So all the other students will be able to see my comments, and comments, it provide comments within my comments. Padlet, it's a super powerful tool to create this social engagement.
The third tool is another amazing tool. It is Jamboard. Jamboard is a free whiteboard tool provided through Google, where
and the very first good thing about Jamboard is that I can create unlimited boards. For this example, I'm here on my board math lesson that is already saved into my Google Drive account. So I can easily start drawing things, or if I want to erase things, so easy to do that. I can add sticky notes in case I want it. Change colors, let me cancel. I can set the background. I can change my backgrounds, I can change my colors, I can easily clear the frame, and also I can share my boards with other teachers or with my students.
Moving on to our next tool, I would like to talk now about Socrative. Socrative is an amazing tool that you can use to create.
Once you are logged into your teacher account, it's a very easy and straightforward interface to work with. You can just go to Quizzes tab and start creating your own quiz. And it's so easy to start saying, okay, I want for the first question of my quiz to be a multiple choice, a true or false, or a short answer. And if I decide to go with a multiple choice as an example, I can define of course, the questions that I would like to ask, the amount of points, and define the answers. And if I want to add more answers, it is so easy, and I can attach files or pictures to this question. And then I can start adding more questions if it's a true or false, if it's a short answer, and I can save and exit. And it is so good once you start sharing these quizzes with your students. Under this tab, you can see in real time the results for that questions, how many students have already answered, how many students haven't answered yet your question, and of course you can see everything on your desktop or your mobile phone.
Our fifth tool is called
but with a couple of differences from
Jamboard.
Jamboard. As you can see, with Zipboard, I can create very large boards, which sometimes can be amazing. And of course, all the basic tools, I can write, I can erase, I can do all things that Jamboard allows me to do. But another very good thing and different between Jamboard and Zipboard is that with Zipboard, I can add PDFs. I can select a file from my device or paste a link from the web, and I can share that with my students. And of course, the same feature that we have in Jamboard, we do have here at Zipboard. We can export to PNG file or PDF, so I can share easily after exporting my board to everyone.
And my last tool for today is called Nearpod. I think Nearpod is a brilliant tool to put components from lessons together. You know, sometimes that you have a PowerPoint that you would like to share, but you also have a video that you like to show at the same lessons, can be confusing to your students. With Nearpod, you can create this seamless experience and put all the contents together. Thank you very much for watching me today. Stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye.